Hi YouTube artist, I'm Kelly Hernig and welcome to In the Studio. Today we're going to paint another holiday element of our Artful Advent. Are you ready? Let's go paint. Welcome to the Artful Advent Day 18. Today is all about the chocolate chip cookie. Let's get started. I'm going to be mixing this color here. If you have a like lemon yellow or yellow, add some white to it. This is John Brilliant, and then I'm going to mix a little bit of buff titanium in it to dirty it. So I'm thinking of a really kind of light colored cookie. That's what I'm looking for. So here's the John Brilliant. You can see it's very, very light yellow, and then some buff titanium to it to dirty it. That's all we want. We want it kind of pale looking. I'm going to just act like the chips aren't there right now because they're darker. Going to add a little bit of water on my brush, just kind of swirl it around. While it's wet, I'm going to take a little bit of raw sienna, a little bit of orange, and a little bit of brown. Just what I shaded the gingerbread with. Do some thick and thin, so do like a thinner mark and a thicker mark here. Gonna splash on that. Gonna take some brown iron oxide and mix it into that mix and just put it in here on the chips. Now I don't care if it melts into there because remember these are chocolate, they could melt and ooze a little bit on the cookies. I'm going to try to leave a small highlight. If you don't do that though, we can always do it with the Posca pen. See how it's kind of melting in there? That looks nice. I'm going to take that same color and just kind of darken the ridges around the edge here. Don't make it perfect. See how it's creating creases in the cookie? That's what you want. I'm going to add some dark brown now. It's still wet. Now I'm going to dry it. I'm going to add a little bit more brown now that it's dry, just along the edge so that it looks like it's a brown cookie, like it's been browning. Hold the shape a little better. Again, make it thick in some areas and thinner in others. Just blotting my brush now. I take a little bit of this, a little harder edge there. Let's soften that. I'm going to pick up a little sepia. This is a darker brown. If you have a brown, you can always add a touch of blue to it and it will be a little darker. It's been dried, and with the Posca pen, we need to brighten those little chocolate chip white marks. You can add a little bit more texture if you want. And there's our chocolate chip cookie. So much gooey goodness for the holidays. If you were inspired by today's chocolate chip cookie, please like, comment, or subscribe. Thanks for watching.